Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can add the sound effects about click sounds to add into your YouTube video to optimizing the subscribe button on your video. So this is the video. In this video I already add the subscribe button, but that is not engaging because there is no sounds on it. So let's add the sounds to make this subscribe button could be more engaging. So the thing that you have to do is just place the straight line here into the the animations start to be popping. So it start to be clicking right here. And the next thing you need to do is take a look on this button feature, tap into the audio and click the sound effects. And the next thing you need to do is just go tap into the sound search button here, click and tap it, wait until the click animation is pop up, and then you just need to download the sounds that you want to add, and now you just need to tap add, and now you will get this sounds pop up on your video. If you want to get more other animation, you can just do the same. Go again, click into the sound effects, and then just tap a click, found the better sounds for the video, and just edit. Adjusting the durations when the sounds start to be like pop up, and here is the result. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this. Let's meet again into other tutorial.